Hi, I'm Varlakshmi, founder of CoachingWithLaks. All these days, I've been pretty active only on LinkedIn. I'm super excited to expand a bit on YouTube and share my learnings, insights with you all through these videos. Today, let me introduce myself and also the purpose behind CoachingWithLaks. I come from a middle class family from India, and in my family, academics excellence was the gold standard. After spending close to 16 years working for various top MNCs across India and USA, I reached a point where I had to pause and ask myself, what is that I truly stand for? When I was working with Microsoft, I found something really interesting. It gave me a great opportunity to interact with diverse set of people and gain various new perspectives that opened my eyes. When I observed closely, I saw two sets of people. Number one, those who does a job for the sake of doing, and number two, those who really loved what they were doing and had a higher purpose to fulfill. I was drawn towards the latter that made me think, what is that I truly stand for? Well, I'm a spiritual seeker and I often draw inspirations from Tirupavai in Tamil. One of its verses I would like to quote here, Yam vanda karyam aarayndu, that translates to finding the purpose of our existence. That struck a chord with me to find what is that I'm truly behind. When I did my leadership program from the Indian School of Business, that was a truly transformative experience for me. It helped me find what my calling was, and I could see my passion unfolding there. And I found that my true calling is to give back to the adolescent community through coaching. And that's how Coaching with Laks was born. I'm committed to giving back whatever I have learned from my global corporate experience to help the adolescent community thrive, not just survive in today's fast-paced world. I focus on essential non-academic skills like, say for example, distraction management, emotional intelligence, nurturing a growth mindset that are essential for academic excellence and also leading a holistic life. I'll be talking about all these things in detail in the subsequent videos. And now, I am not here to overload you with more information. We already have enough of those, isn't it? My mantra is very simple. Aware, act, and accomplish. Think of me as a catalyst, helping you become aware of your unique self and guiding you in the path to success. In the upcoming videos, I plan to share some of my learnings, insights that I truly believe will benefit you all. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Can't wait to see where this takes us forward. If you're a teen or parent of a teen and willing to connect with me, head on to CoachingWithLaks.com to schedule a free 15-minute consultation. Together, let's empower our future leaders to lead a successful, holistic life.